Hey guys, it's Nicole, and for this week's nail art look, I decided to do some freehand Ghostbuster nails to get started for the October Halloween nail art season. So this is all freehand with gel polish and art gel for the ghost. So I started off with Madame Glam's Perfect Black, and I just applied 3 coats of this black just on all of my nails. So pretty easy, no accent nails for the base color, just all the same color. And you just want to get a nice thin opaque coat. And then I just cleaned up anything that I got on my skin as I went along to keep it nice and crisp on the edges. And then once that was cured for 30 seconds, I'm taking Le Chat Flashback. And I took a detail brush just to apply a little drip design. So I usually put a drip on the bottom and then 3 dots, which I then dragged upwards. I think most nails I did 4 drips, and then I just connected them at the top. So pretty simple. I just think this really adds to the vibe, because you've got all this green ectoplasm or goo or whatever slime. But I thought it was super cute, and I love them dripping down from the free edge of my nail, so it's like a creepy French tip style. So pretty easy, and they don't have to be perfect because it's drips of goop, so nothing too perfect. And then after I did that and I cured it for 30 seconds, I removed the tacky layer just because we had a fire alarm go off in the middle of these and I wanted to get all the lint off. So that's the only reason for that. And then I'm using Young Nails Mission Control. I started with their red, and then I also used white and black. So I'm just making the outline for the no sign that the ghost is going to be right in the middle of. So I just did a circle. I tried to keep it pretty centered. And then I took white art gel and I just filled in the entire circle. Just take your time with this so you can have nice crisp edges. But since I already had the silhouette, the red cured on there, it just gave me a nice edge to kind of put the product right up to the corner of there. And since the red was raised, it just kind of filled itself in a little bit. So it was pretty easy to stain the lines there. And then before I cured it, I took some more gel and I'm doing the face and then some little hands. I also decided to go in and do a little wispy tail, but I did that after I did the red. It was kind of an afterthought. So then I added the hands right here, just coming off to the sides. And then I took some red once that was cured and did a stripe across the body. And then I'm outlining his face. So I just did the sides of his face and then the bottom for a chin. And then I did some eyes, a mouth, a little nose, and some eyebrows. So these are a little bit more intricate details, so just try not to keep too much product on the brush. And you can always go back in with white to fix anything up. And then I outlined the hands and added some details for arms and that kind of thing, just to give it some shape instead of just being a white circle. And then I extended the head a little bit and fixed up the face, and then I added the little tail like I was talking about, and just kind of added some finishing details. And then I cured it, and I'm taking Gel Against the Tiny Tailor's Flawless Finish, and I applied a coat of that to all of my nails just to get a nice shine and to finish the nail art look. And once that was cured, I removed the tacky layer. And that's how I created this nail art look. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I loved filming these nails. I thought it was a super cute idea for Halloween. And it's actually not that hard. So let me know if you try this out, and I'll see you next week. Bye!